Hello everyone, I'm Nicholas Malone, and this is another video that will help you step into the world of online earnings. In this video, we will talk about several online jobs, their opportunities and challenges. Making money on the internet has become one of the most popular ways for people worldwide to earn income, whether as a side hustle or a primary job. The development of the internet and digital technologies has opened the door to various ways to earn money online, enabling many people to work from home, save time, and connect with a global market. However, like any job, online income comes with its own challenges, competition, and risks. In this text, we will explore different ways to earn money online, as well as the advantages and disadvantages they bring. One of the most popular ways to earn money online is through freelancing platforms such as Upwork, Fiverr, Freelancer, and many others. Freelancers work in various industries, from writing and design to programming and digital marketing. These jobs offer complete flexibility as people can choose when and where to work. Freelance jobs, or jobs in the free market, represent one of the most popular and flexible ways to earn income online. Freelancers are independent workers who perform various types of work for clients, usually on a project basis. This type of work provides freedom in choosing jobs, working hours, and location, but it also presents certain challenges. Freelance jobs cover a wide range of industries and skills. Some of the most popular freelance jobs include freelancers who write articles, blogs, marketing texts, ebooks, and other types of content for clients, creative freelancers who design logos, banners, brochures, illustrations, and other visual content, freelancers who develop websites, applications, software solutions, and other technological projects, and freelancers who translate texts from one language to another, whether for blogs, books, business documents, or other purposes. Another way to earn money online is through video creation or YouTube. If you enjoy video production, you can earn money through YouTube or by creating video content for other companies and brands. You can make tutorials, vlogs, educational content, or entertaining videos that attract an audience and generate revenue from ads. YouTube allows users to create their own channels, where they can upload video content. These videos can be anything from vlogs, tutorials, music, comedy, education, to reviews, and many other types of content. By using YouTube, users can earn money, gain popularity, and even build a career. One of the main reasons why YouTube has become so popular is its potential for good earnings. One of the easier ways to earn money online is by filling out surveys and testing products. Although these jobs won't bring in large earnings, they can be a good way to make some extra income. Many companies and research firms pay users to fill out surveys and provide feedback on products or services.
Whether you're a freelancer, surveys, or a fan of video creation, the internet offers countless opportunities to earn from the comfort of your home. The key is to find what fulfills you and invest in your growth and development. These are just 3 ways among many others. Don't wait for the perfect moment. Take advantage of everything the internet has to offer, invest in your knowledge and skills, and earn extra income that can change your life. See you in the next video.